Koma ɔsɛ adai. Na unim abrante ana papa yi a yɛfrɛ no Kwesi Nyako ofe. Mene no ekwadi just ono no yɛ Kwesi na me kwabna. Unim Rutai.
Oh yeah, Rutai, yeah.
Yeah, na Andra Rutai birthday na Andra yentimi amba ntino me wish happy birthday and happy birthday nkoma Mr. Kwesi ofe Nyako. Na eye mpaebo amebo aman se nyina onpezo obeyin no Nyankopon ema ne sa ho ofe na.
Sir.
Ruta wenyi pound. Zuna, nice man, nice looking gentleman.
A senior man.
Yeah, to tell Chami come refuse to grow for no.
Sir.
Or can be. Until Nyankopon ensure a year Rutai. Now my last one comma my former classmate from primary copim GSS or say Ernest or say Nyankopon adman and then the birthday na Nyankopon Shano me sre osro nyansa nimdia hoden ni sika edemano say one na busua ene nankasa nyina Nyankopon anyom kese. So once again happy birthday nkoma o say Ernest yebeshia squad ne de bebre na tutu kwan but kakra na yaka wa na yebeshia na yewde ebe no aja say. All right, so happy birthday once again.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, DJ Stanzi. We share the around the world ne your birthdays in Besia. You be new songs. Now, right after the new songs, Bimpo is in the house. Yene Bimpo bidin komo. Now for your lyrical battle of the day, Najimai and the Papa She. It's exactly 5:10 on the Max Drive on Max FM 89.7. And for our new songs today, and you may DK you know, it's from Na a Champon, Nana a Champon. I'll say Nemai. Ozede. Nemei. And the man can say cries. Is it Nemai? Aye. Oh, Zim. The second song we are going to have a listen to is from Fuse ODG. And he calls this one Somebody, and it features a Kofi Kenata. And the third song is also from the camp of Fuse ODG. And he calls this one Buzzer Shot. Yaba call for a quick commercial break. And when we come back again, I'm having a beautiful chat with Bimpo. Bimpo, your banker. As also a musician. So Abranti is on the opposite of Bonyum Count. Well, he's been here before. Maybe sounds a quiet way. All right, Ebusia Yongoti, new songs will be right back.
Brand new.
Yes, you'll be better, dear. And to send you to go off and they call no Renema. Will be better, dear, when he is and here. If you send you one will grow to go off and they call no Renema. Here you see me, who will be a brand new.
Brand new. Brand.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Somebody, we all need somebody. Somebody, everybody needs somebody. Somebody, we all need somebody. Somebody, everybody needs somebody.
No man is an island, no master alone. No man is an island, no master alone. If a man fall down, show him love. If you know the year for man, make you check up. If you won't go fast, go alone. But if you won't go far, go together. If I got some, when I give you some, Diana Sahu, yeah, baby. If you get some, when you give me some, Diana Sahu, yeah, baby. Brother, don't be greedy. Oh no, one day you go need me, so you won't with me for prison. Why can't you forgive me?
Somebody, we all need somebody. Somebody, everybody needs somebody.
Brand new. Brand.
trendybeats.com.
Brand new. Brand.
Master shot if you're feeling the vibe now. Take a shot cause you're feeling alive now. Baby fine if you know say you like getting those so we're spending tonight get it every day and we are
Brand new. Brand.
ringing never getting it on fame.
Brand new. Brand.
Master shot if you're feeling the vibe now. Take a shot cause you're feeling alive now. Baby fine if you know say you like
Brand new. Brand.
So they wanna leave me for the party done. She wanna pull up and have some fun. Give her the pin to the location. She knows we touched on the panty gun. Say she wanna knock cause she no patient. But if you patient, I'll give you operation. Cause I get the cure for your condition. So move it for me, make a check out body.
Master shot if you're feeling the vibe now.
One day, Anna. Max buy per se, yes, you can be brave. Miss me say how? Max buy at the bundle offers a case you be intimate take a bro. Buy 2 for less. But never told TC or washing machines and a kettle for only 5,530 Ghana cedis. Na save a cool 300 Ghana cedis. But to Infinix Smart TV and a smartwatch 3,000 Ghana cedis per. A face of my Sanka Techno Common 40 Pro and a smartwatch for only 3,170 cedis. Let's see a 250 amunumuwa. Come Max Buy showroom or memo baby and I shop it online at www.maxbuy.com.gh. Frame 054 401 9552. Nebisa bundle promo no na jiweni kra. Max Buy, quality you trust, prices you love.
Welcome to Max Buy.
Hey Jerry, this your phone. Who you ever pay for cramping? What is this?
Babe, relax. Today is the day I turn water into wine. We are in the promised land. Max Buy is here to save us, okay?
You're welcome to Max Buy, Ghana's #1 electronic retail store. How may I help you?
You know, my queen deserves the best. Show me your top gadget here.
At Max Buy, we've got it all. Mobile phones, smart TVs, air conditioners, kettles, microwaves, blenders, and more.
Babe, imagine our anniversary selfie with this Techno Camon 30S. Everybody would think that we are Ghana's Jay-Z and Beyonce. Power couple, papa.
Call us on 054 401 9552.
With over 40 shops nationwide, flexible payment plan, online shopping, and home delivery.
89.7 Max FM.
Yeah, you don't know, this is Jay Deroby, and keep listening to Max Drive with Mr. Koda on Max FM 89.7. Boom!
Yeah, I vibe by the way with you.
Aye, man. So me day in the yard plus the brethren them. You chit-chat about girls but casting a whole heap of things.
89.7
All of a sudden this pretty damsel walks through. She asks, you are the ping pong boy? The one link up, so me tell the brethren them. Break out the chalice, link up the light.
Max FM.
Girl, she a wanna feel high.
89.7.
It's the 10 like Delilah. Dance floor and it's hopeless. It's
Yeah, you don't know, this is Jay Deroby, and keep listening to Max Drive with Mr. Koda on Max FM 89.7.
We not discriminate. We have to just elevate Rastaman party. We have to light up the place. The bad man kick us the place. Rastaman party. We have to discriminate. We have to just elevate Rastaman party. We have to light up the place. The bad man kick us the place. I saw that thing go. The party a mad. Everything set, girl them a bad. The DJ him a light up the yard. More energy you cannot be sad. So pick up a bottle of pot dancing and you sipping on your liquor. The youth them more strong so they keep on with their vigor. Bend over and I do me best for what is a bit. Rastaman party, we have to discriminate. We have to just elevate. Rastaman party, we have to light up the place. The bad man kick us the place. Rastaman party, we have to discriminate. We have to just elevate. Rastaman party, we have to light up the place. The bad man kick us the place. Rastaman party, we have to discriminate. We have to just elevate. Rastaman party, we have to light up the place. The bad man kick us the place. Rastaman party, we have to dip on your liquor. The youth them more strong so they keep on with their vigor. Bend over and I do me best for what is a bit. Rastaman party, we have to discriminate.
Rastaman party. I see an energy in the fruit is a people. And I do bim pong the fruit is a people. That's right. So much was in any Friday and Thursday in Nabumo. Freaky Funky Friday. And the Throwback Thursday edition of the Max Drive on Max FM 89.7. Yamiya do much now because of Galka Top Phone in T. It was very intimate, Meshimu. And you didn't come up. You may want to join us right now on YouTube. And come here with the streaming live on YouTube. AM Max FM Ghana. Max FM Ghana. Join us there. Abrante Pa. Now, the first question, baby, say, I mean, bank for the more working ethics, code of ethics, be a mutinum on 9 years the other. And I was just saying, tonight gold. And as I say, you man, we jai. I can't entrepreneurs for now. All right, now, Bimpon, welcome, brother. Welcome,
very much, my brother. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Zadi, wunya wawa, unimza.
Nyamia Duminti.
Nyamia Duminti, wunya wawa. Good to see you, brother.
Good to see you too, my big brother.
Now, send me kind. And my first question, and one I may be so because we really na etino a womani, a shiny pa, and I'm doing that linkwana ye gold. I'm doing that linkwana and etino gold a womb. That means also the gold nebeba.
Matthias.
Me who on social media say gold ne war, but me doing say beer. I know yeah, old story.
Oh, there be.
Say a new story.
Very, very recent.
Very recent.
Yes.
That been now dying.
Just a couple of days back. I think that was last week Friday. Yes.
What the Kwejuma?
Debbie, I'm on leave actually.
Oh, now it makes sense.
Yes. So I mean, it has always been to push an agenda.
Always been to push
an agenda.
Yeah.
And I think people are beginning to catch on. Yes, because we share my social media handles. You are going to see the name Corporate Bad Boy. And there's a reason why that name is there.
Yeah.
You know, people have this idea of it has to be difficult and then you have to give up your talents or anything else in order to be able to seen as a smart individual who can actually be useful in the corporate space.
Yeah.
But I represent the idea, say, that is actually not true. It's not true and yet factual. You know, if you should plan properly, you can have your corporate job and then still work on your talents and try to create other streams of income. And that is what I'm trying to represent for myself and a lot of young people out there who are still very confused about the lines that they want to take. Because we'll be feeling say, oh, you banking, you know.
Yeah.
The thing is, just like you mentioned earlier, there's a strict code of conduct.
Yeah.
But once I'm not going out of it, I'm not going to be penalized. There'll be antremaso for any reason.
Who will leave the ultimate anyhow, baby?
Who will leave. Once the MA does not impact the image and the brand of the bank in any way. Because as I sit here, I do not represent the bank.
And then the Oba as Bimpon.
I came in as Bimpon. And I'm not
Bimpon, the corporate bad guy.
Yes, boss.
Yeah.
And I'm not doing anything that brings the bank's name into disrepute. So I will not be penalized.
Fantastic.
You know, there are people who actually go out there and represent the bank. Yeah. Me and Sir. Obana se obesho office now show me KPIs me meet me KPIs pepe me yemejuma pepe mejuma so any and I'm able to separate my showbiz lifestyle from my corporate lifestyle. So it really isn't a problem. And that is what I want other young people to catch on. So there's a big agenda running behind whatever is happening.
Yeah. Now it's also the effort. Inti obe ko back obe die in a black back.
Most definitely.
It's all dying. Banka unyaya anka se eti die the se anka nya boni bia. Adenti no mompene ma momfa eti say my. In your own way unya anka mompene za de na.
Debbie. Me cry me penisa. Me penisa. Any community or society that is not governed by rules would always bring up chaos.
Yeah.
Se me meet me gold na se me the call officer. It just say will be beat me aye green.
Endi ampa. Boys me the job on be colors ni na.
Yeah, be ye o so ene a hairstyle ochina it will be short side than it too. Ochina will be why exposing it indecently.
Yeah.
So there should always be a strict code of conduct for certain professions.
Yeah.
So I don't think there should be a situation whereby some of these things are overlooked. It will create problems.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. If you were asked to choose between these two professions, one, being a musician,
yes,
and the second one is a banker. What would you choose? Choose one out of two. Then I will choose.
I think I wouldn't choose, and the reason is I've always been a musician, and now I am a banker, and that is what feeds me.
But yes, he choose Mubako.
No, so
yeah,
the music is not a part that you can take away from me. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Into whether I'm a banker or a lawyer or a lecturer, whatsoever the case might be, the music is still going to be a part of me. It's not a thing I can do away with.
Yeah.
Because no credit say, my try several times say, and you know, Magi. You know, because when you come from a place where there are certain standards that are expected of you.
Yeah.
And people would not support you because they feel say you are not meeting a certain criteria. Sometimes it takes a bit of a toll on you, and it makes you reconsider some of your decisions. And I've been at that corner, but every time I thought about quitting the music, I looked at the downside too, because you know music helps me keep a balanced head. It helps me keep a balanced head, you know. I don't think it's something that I want to give up and be somebody else that I am not, just because other people do not agree with the trajectory I'm taking. I believe so once I'm not hurting anybody or what I'm doing is not detrimental to me in any way, then I should be able to move in that trajectory. It should be just fine.
Fantastic. And you tour, like you said, no, it's always been a part of you near the day.
Yeah.
Now, in your line of you can pursuing music, what are some of the challenges that you go through?
Oh, I mean, looking at the 9 to 5 that I work and then having to combine it with music, you know, time, yeah, it will be a day. But because say a BB manage home, you know. Me too many and I make sure say a brain now me plan it ahead of time.
Yeah.
Into me say in the course of the year, you know, around this time, me call leave.
Yeah.
Me call leave. I want to spend this much time in the studio recording. Around this time, that is when I want my release to be out there. Around that period, I want to be on radio running a bit of promo. So I plan these things out.
Yeah.
It makes it come easier. Apart from time, then the other thing is, you know that showbiz is a very capital intensive thing. So
yeah.
Hey,
now bank for crime, mo as kai egumo ye can say. Munsem dai ananyamodia, amanfo sika na mokai.
Amanfo sika na yehwe so.
Enti anyamodia. Enti bank for muniska.
Oh, enye se bank for ni sika. Se me ka se bank for ni sika na ISM me ye profession enimtia.
Yeah.
Minti min kasasa because ne emami eduani di no.
Yeah.
So obon homodin na say ye wajuma ye it's going to put you on an entirely different level.
Yeah.
That's the truth of the matter.
Yeah.
It takes time for some people. Other people are able to quickly climb through the ranks, but it is something that is fulfilling. And Oye Juma Banka, you are actually making the lives of other people better. You are providing them with services and products that actually enhances their well-being and their families. It goes a long way. There's a big rippling effect. So it's a fulfilling line of work.
Fantastic. And as a banker, And as a musician, so we did. We and to also like you're also complaining say financial bit no.
Yeah.
I sometimes say and you promo ni na iska. So what you say? I only mum penny for nenka say. Na mum provide some solutions nyum to for. Because even the established ones, they all still complain of ska. Inti anka wakwaya bank a year ozambo nyumi. Why don't you take it upon yourself, say you champion this cause? About dream rebia banks and financial institutions. And come with me and my musicians, loan nibi to send a business for a bar, entrepreneurs bar, muskadi kodij. Like something like that. Have you ever thought about it?
It's not something I've thought about.
Yeah.
No. I think you're making a valid point, but what you should understand is that banks are actually running businesses, and banks do not just want to invest in just anybody or just any business. Before a bank would venture into working with anybody, a proper risk analysis would have to be done.
Yeah.
And they would have to understand the business properly and how it works. Now, if you look at even the way banks operate, and you'll be a sikana.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
And you'll be a sikana moje.
Debbie. There are some people who bring money to the bank that will refuse.
Why?
And people like, there are regulatory things that comes with banking. So before someone opens an account, we have things we call like KYC, that's for your customer. We do EDD, that's extended due diligence, to ensure se nipa na odini sika neba no. Sika no deba ni sika resi, ni sika biya ifin bata hon.
Wow.
So there's no money laundering issues, there are no fraud issues whatsoever. Banks are not in just to make money.
Oh, sir.
There are a lot of regulations.
I didn't know about that.
Yes. So a bit of education for your
yes,
for your listeners.
Yeah.
Internet you be asika keke na eji.
Oh, sir.
Esika fobi di omusika be call certain banks and the bank will refuse to take the money.
And some can una man for this cash empazio.
Oh, they be.
Na some was kana me de ba na some onye dia.
So usika na wo de ba no.
Yeah.
Ubetimi atre mu ama ye hu se sika na wo de ba no.
Minya wa hane ha.
Yeah. Enye human trafficking sika.
Yeah.
Enye nubone hu dwan wakodi no wanye sika omo krono na se ubetimi atre mu a. Any problem ye beji usika no na ye cry ye be ma products a ebitimi ama usika na wo ma na wanya sika no mo ho.
Sir.
Ye be show usika no so ye aboa ma business ideas and expand the money for you. But say Mr. Koda de nisika ba say me $1 million. Now me say, oh, Mr. Koda mpacho $1 million business ben na we ya odinyan.
Yeah.
Now catch me say what on toothpicks pacho toothpicks say now bit me at answer na we nya. It's unrealistic.
Yeah.
And we can't overlook that, because when you do that, then some of these proceeds are going to go into things like terrorist financing and all these other things. That brings a lot of problems to the general populace.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well explained. But of course, you can champion. In the artists, when they are coming, they will come prepared. You understand?
Me very sure say some of these artists would be able to make these propositions, but they would have to be able to actually make a point.
Yeah.
That's a sasikane yedemawa. You are going to invest it in project ABC.
Exactly.
And when you invest the money in the project, these are the returns we are going to get within this period. If you are able to make a case and it makes complete sense, I'm sure the business team will reach a compromise and you get your money.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
All right. Samre, who labels one?
We
are independent artists.
We are independent artists.
When you are label, would you want to join them?
Most definitely. Me pie ball back up on.
Yeah.
Senya me be ya do mama obi etimi asomasne.
Yeah.
Senya e bitimi aye ejuma na kon anymore, because ejuma we na nyo back for ejuma. Within this couple of days preparing towards my release.
Yeah.
Me and I me co studio.
Yeah.
Me and I me bookie sections to take pictures for social media.
Yeah.
Me hear videos. I'm managing my own social media.
Yeah.
The moving parts are a lot. It's a one kwa wudi hu juma sana. Yeah. Edin kakra.
Fantastic.
Quickly, I would want to chip it in. Keep crunchy, me you beaming.
Yeah.
And why am I doing?
Also, you're a banker.
Also, you're a banker.
Not just a bank phone, the same person with music for his canana. Well, that's nice.
I don't see your banker.
So he's supportive. Onosu will leave Samri.
Onosu will leave.
And Timuji will live together.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
So
that's nice.
He just decided to say, oh, Minya, and then I'll call interview. Most of the time, let me drive you to the place today. So you don't have to go through the stress of having to drive or book a ride. And it's something that I really appreciate.
That's nice.
If I have a team, I could have people doing all
these things for you. Then you can concentrate on the creative
actually making the music. Yeah.
Well, that's fine. Now, also, niente me bisa questions we na no ye be di nkoma na say war industry ni mu.
Yeah.
Just quite few days ago, and let's be bab on things say Ghana artists ni bi atonton omo catalog. In your opinion, do you think that is the right move for them to make? And I say, and I say, omedi in some money.
Debbie, you need some money. I think say the case would differ from individual to individual.
Yeah.
Or and for some people, I feel say it's even a good move because if I can have a substantial amount of money now, and I'm still in a position to create, I'm not really losing much. The talent is still there. I still have the time, I have the space, and now I actually have enough funding to work on projects that are bigger and better than what I already have.
I see.
So if I can just sell a few of my catalogs, because some of these people in the conversations are not individuals who have 2-3 projects out.
Yeah.
They have loads and loads of projects out there.
That's true.
Intimate me at me projects no 2-3 bina menya be $4 million bina media nema gets bigger promotion packages, gets bigger artists to feature and all of that. I think it's a right move. I think so most of the people do not really understand what goes into someone selling their catalog.
Yeah.
And they are just speaking from an emotional point of view.
Yeah.
Because I don't see how it's wrong say me watch is too.
Yeah.
Me watch is too nini na aye juma.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, I feel like we ma bone kakra.
Yeah.
Me pese me to foforo. Intimate me aton we. Na baku we ya me wona still ame amede. Na me ton we ya me disikani bi beka ho. Na mato foforo eye better than the na me wona. How is that wrong?
Wow. In the near future,
it depends on the perspective.
Bimpon the catalog eye bebrea.
Yeah.
Do we see him selling some? For some good cash.
I wouldn't mind. It depends on my position and whatever offer I'm getting.
Yeah.
You know, because I don't think there's a straight through contract for everybody trying to sign off their catalog. There might be a few changes here and there. Make better deals. Some of them will get to strike very horrible deals.
Yeah.
But if it's something that works for me and it's good for me, I don't see reasons why I should be turning it down. And I think we are getting there. I think currently I have about 44 songs out there. So
44 songs.
Yeah, so
that's huge.
13 releases in total, and if you count the single tracks, that's like 44 of them out there.
Wow. So, congratulations. And speaking of releases, there is a new one there.
Yes, please.
Sangoma.
Yeah, Sangoma.
Sangoma.
Yeah, Sangoma.
I don't know about Chichi Mama me. Still on the industry. I think in Ghana ni biano samre.
Yeah.
Shatawale ayacheno.
Yes.
Do you feel sorry for him?
I actually do. I don't think I even wish something like this to happen to even my worst enemy. But
ebimo so kase we dey sorry for kase ebimo kase onwana akopass my breno. One kwese live video signs and some win and no feature kopa chowa anka troubles we na ento no.
I don't think of a trick or patch or crowd the story would have been different because the law is the law and the law would always take its course.
Yeah.
Say yakasa wa fetri a patch or winti yan fanchena. Neni minu akwe kumenu swa ono nensa hano kuria obi a ponche a cheno ono so patch wa yan fanchena na. Say yene sa na se yama emrano anko sene ye woseko.
Sir.
Me wojidi say Donny.
Yeah.
Me beg don.
Yeah.
Say onye boni bia emrane betwe na so keke. And whatever we are seeing out there now is alleged.
Yeah.
Nobody has been able to prove anything yet. So he's not guilty. So as it stands, there really isn't a case. They are trying to still build their case. Or them say almost your investigation.
Yeah.
But I don't think or them as in he's been jailed.
Yeah.
That is not the case.
Yeah.
Investigations are still running. He's been invited. He voluntarily showed up. They didn't pick him up Rambo style. I think say the buzz around it is because of who he is, the personality he has out there, and the masses that follow him. Because a lot of people will have this same situation, and we will not see this uproar. We will not see this kind of feedback.
And also, do you think that rivalry among artists a contributing factor to impepenswa shatawale abedriana? And I mean, I'm told way first. Way first. Way first. Do you think it's a contributing factor to that?
I doubt it.
As in, we all want to show say me I'm bigger than you. Into any do be back cry and I say Meremuno and Tenekra is here genocide. Do you think it's a contributing factor?
Well, I don't think say competition no a contributing factor. Generally, nipa ni breadie. It's not even about people being in show business or people being artists. It is just in human nature, inherent, a kind of obia person trust ono na also and ono na nene be to a certain extent. And you obia na utimi ebre sad and as some people don't figure it out. But if you look at it in the showbiz space, showbiz is showbiz.
Yeah.
All these are parts of what makes showbiz run. Just imagine, say, every artist wants to be calm and cool and there's no news and there's no buzz. It is not going to affect just the music industry, but bloggers, mainstream media. A lot of people will be affected because there would be nothing to even talk about. So all these things come into play. That really isn't the issue. I think, say, when it moves beyond people just doing showbiz and making it personal, where now we have people clashing with each other, we have people hurting each other, people sending out derogatory information that could actually harm an individual. That's where the problem is. Fantastic. But that aside, Sematomi Lamborghini na semese the whole Ghana mena mi wusika into Matomi Lamborghini. I don't see how that hurts you. If you think you are richer than me, prove your point. Buy one. Buy a better car. But if you can't, allow me to run.
Wow. Bimpong. Yes, sir. It was here for me. Bimpong. You train Komo Samre. Our Max Drive is so on Max FM 89.7. Yeah, Bekwa could see any nyum for free. The title. What's he pronouncing? Is it
Sangoma?
Sangoma. What does it mean?
Sangoma actually means a malam or a spiritualist, a ritualist.
Kasabe.
It's actually South African.
South African.
Yeah.
Swahiliana.
Yes. Now, what's the idea I had with this really is, I mixed it up with the word Sangoma. There's a little bit of French, there's a little bit of Chi, and there's a little bit of English.
Into your 3 languages.
Whole point.
Into some area.
No, it's not in the word Sangoma.
Okay.
And the song in itself.
You benya Chi kakra. You benya French kakra.
You benya Brofo kakra.
Brofo kakra.
And a title from a South African background.
Wow. That's nice.
Yes.
That's nice. And I want you to introduce the song now so that, you will studio Ghana for Muti Samre. We can all get to listen to a Sangoma. Yeah. And this is the first time I play.
First time I play.
Fantastic. So mention your name, introduce the song. Na DJ Stanzi, Mpiantum Nienko Timbra.
Yeah. Okay, it's here for good evening. This is your boy Bimpong, right on Max Drive, and there's a new one out, Sangoma, available on all platforms worldwide. Charlie, let's go.
89.7 Max FM.
Let's go. I know, say I'm a very bad boy. You mean I go like me, I have to give you joy. See, me have to treat you proper, never play, you know, king's sweet toy. You raise my libido, don't hear me do. See, you don't need no Sangoma, no way. No go play your heart, baby. The pain I go take, throw away. My lady, my lady. You don't need no Sangoma, no way. No go play your heart, baby. The pain I go take, throw away. My lady, my lady. Je t'aime, mon bébé. Alors aujourd'hui, je vais les répéter. Si les gars who would come away, papa parce que je suis sinage, but in the play. Je veux juste te m'en correctement. Si tu as fait try and correct
89.7 Max FM.
Je veux juste te m'en correctement. Si tu as
you try to correct me, man. How your back at the rukutu scatter my head. To inside my chest. But ladies, you know I can comport myself. When I want one of these shout for help. Rukutu scatter my head. To inside my chest. But ladies, you know I can comport myself. When I want one of these shout for help. I know say I'm a very bad boy.
89.7 Max
I mean, I have
FM.
to give you joy. Ooh, see, me have to treat you proper, never play, you know, king sweet toy. Here is my libido, don't hear me do. See, you don't need no sango man, no way. No go play your heart, baby. Your pain I go take, throw it away. My lady, my baby. You don't need no sango man, no way. No go play your heart, baby. Your pain I go take, throw it away. My lady, my baby.
So you had it right. This Sangoma from Bimpong. Sangoma. Nadia Namagai. Mezza. Nazza ne Sandy is a yepe. And I've been pointing that. Different room.
Oh, something.
Sankoma from Bimpong. Sankoma. Sangoma. And I said, Tree West be bringing crime, West be bringing hot. Also, what the Swahili now, Bekwa. It's a sweet song. But before I'm about a Bimpon, so near to come, so I mean, count for a Max by Mao. Now, Max by day, a free delivery be air bus. Now, my person was holding the air so. Sena, what tried the you don't have to worry about the delivery anymore. Are you frustrated by late deliveries? Do you need a professional to install your AC and TV? Worry no more. The unprecedented deal from Max Buy is here. Buy your TVs, ACs, refrigerators, washing machines at Max Buy and enjoy free delivery and professional installation within 24 hours. Yes, you heard it right. BBI you free, you deliver amount. I feel so you install a back on no wow. Now fade the TV, AC, fridge, washing machine no. Yet me install the amount. Visit our West Hills, Medina, Circle, and Dakuman Junction stores to enjoy this offer. You can also order online at www.maxbuy.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Friend Max Buy, I was 0544019552. Afe Sangoma.
Yeah.
Sangoma. It means malam.
Yeah, or a ritualist, a spiritualist.
Now, we are malam.
There we mean malam, but me per se me dofo any oma omode enyum de bedi nkomo atre oma dofo.
Yeah.
E mo moti ase se omu hia malam ana omu hia se omu beye bibi wanwaso bia ansa na omu betimi adon.
Oh, I see.
You know, say there are rumors around say a man be a man be quiet for boys, some quiet for girls.
Yeah,
actually,
yeah,
Dunsifoni ade.
Sir,
Emma omoye love portion, sending idea,
and mom, that's true.
Yeah, but a young woman near me can say, you
don't need that. Just be real.
Down for you, just be you.
Yeah,
so you don't need no sangoma, no way.
Fantastic.
That's.
And you have my baby girls nepa.
I was a mobile.
And you mean ultra studio no? Not what target market you want.
Oh, so my target market obia odo asem ni debia.
Obia odo asem ni debia.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mebnu a omusi
young people.
Yeah, young people are omusi penny fiemu. Any oma omeni efide danina.
Yeah.
Because odo ya debia yintimi and daniechi enja. Whichever way we want to cut it. No.
Fantastic.
Obobra ekowenim ekudum pempens will be in as much as you might want to stay away from it. At some point, ubesia odofo.
Yeah.
Na se ushia odofo a ehun be hia se ubetimi amani hu no wenya omo areshimu se nsuo na to wi ana ebo wo homa no.
Wow.
Hia se obekwa ko hu mala ni bia na adonsi ni bia mana ye bibia.
Wow.
Odokan wo homa no.
Indeed, so you are a corporate bad boy. A very corporate bad boy. Sangoma is out on all streaming platforms, I want to believe, right?
Available on all streaming platforms.
Apple Music,
Yeah.
YouTube ibinya.
YouTube, Spotify,
Audio Mark ibinya.
Amazon, Deezer, Bibia.
Yakwa edimbeni and search.
Just search Sangoma, Bimpom. It's available everywhere.
Sangoma. Sangoma. As a me South Africa girl be wrong.
Be feely we rough.
Na my sending you na man.
Be feely we rough.
As a minyabi. And I Ghana Gezi. So I'm Peninsula there. Well, who would you want to collaborate with in the near future?
Oh, in the near future. That's a big question because maybe
Ghana have first.
Ghana has
as the share international.
Okay.
In Ghana, who would you want to collaborate with in the near future? Name your top 3.
Industry is so.
Yeah.
Boys no more ban. It be more cry nyanti omudino. So uti omu projects achema yembesho.
So give me 3 names.
Okay, I think say A-listers, no. I'd want to do Stonebwoy.
Stonebwoy.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have a soft spot for Stonebwoy because way back in high school, Wesley Grammar, I saw Stonebwoys come up. And I'm so proud of how far he's been able to go.
Wow.
Because the Onumade days.
Yeah.
When he still had a slim.
Wow.
When he would still come with his multicolored Burberry shirts.
Wow.
On the campus of Methodist University. I saw him. And I was also in the crowd with my white vein and my shorts.
Yes,
so I'd love to work with Stonebwoy.
Stonebwoy, yeah.
I think that the other person would be Kojo Black.
Kojo Black.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yes, excellent.
Yeah.
I'd really love to work with him. And then I think the other person would be Shatawale. Yes. You see, training there, what boxing me?
Oh, train nani be.
What boxing me? Because Samini say you'll be.
Yeah.
When he was bringing all these other guys up, I saw him too. And I'd really love to work with him too.
Yeah.
And Kelvin Boy would also make a great fit.
Fantastic.
You know, so
boxing
me, but
yeah.
Me opportunity now. These are the guys that I'd really love to work with.
Well, that's fine. Yeah, the uncommon baby. Yeah. What would be your last message to Ghanaians?
Okay. So,
yeah.
And me kind of say, wherever you are, whoever you might be, your dreams are still valid. Don't let your circumstances and your environment box you in.
Yeah.
Baby, I will be a any we be a any pa we be a onipa bambiano. Emma niema ekoso won ho no. Emma we ni swadi ho no enye ketwa.
Sir.
Bon ho modern. Nia wo hwehwe wo wiase bia no se wo de wa ho den etai tree na okoso abompaya nyame adomunti won sabeka. I say this because from where I'm coming from, I started small. And it looked like it wouldn't even be possible for me to work a banking job and still make my music.
Yeah.
But Oshemi and there, I'm not so big, but I'm so proud of where I've been able to come from.
Yeah.
Because previously, the Nanko phone whom I want to say, hey, that be bimpon. I hear the song for here, but since I sign it here, I have people reaching out to me, people trying to engage me. So we are still on track. And if I've been able to gather a little bit of momentum, me person make us be a bit me. So Charlie, keep pushing, and you do amazing for yourself. Right?
Keep pushing, and you are definitely going to do amazing for yourself. Bimpo, thank you so much. It's been a nice conversation right here on the Max Drive on Max FM 89.7. Yeah, they come on the so we'll have a listen once again to Aye Sangoma. But this time, no, Mami a cappella kakrani impiantum ni evan komono emrewie.
Okay. So it goes like this. Je t'aime mon bébé, alors aujourd'hui je vais le répéter. Si mi nous dit que Hugo Kamawi, papa parce que je suis un ange barré de plaies. Si je vais juste t'aimer correctement. So me too if you try and correct me. Si je vais juste t'aimer correctement. Say to if you try and correct me, man. See how your back are the ruku to scatter my head. To ide inside my chest. My ladies, you know I can compose myself. Corner one I ask for help. Ruku to scatter my head. To ide inside my chest. Ladies, you know I can compose myself.
Max FM. Max FM. 89.7.
89.7. Max
I know,
FM.
see, yes, see, I'm a very bad boy. You're not gonna have to give you joy. See, me have to treat you proper, never play, you know, king's way toy. You raise my libido, hold on, hear me do. See, you don't need no sango, man, no way. No go play your heart, baby. Your pain I go take, throw away. My lady, my lady. No sango, man, no way. No go play your heart, baby. Your pain I go take, throw away. So my lady, je t'aime, mon bébé. Alors aujourd'hui, je vais les répéter. Si nous les guerres, vous voulez comme oui, papa, parce que je suis sénat, je vais les déclarer. Je vais juste te correctement. So you two have to try and correct me, man.
Max FM.
Je vais juste te correctement.
89.7.
Max FM. 89.7.